In this tutorial, I'll be covering with you profit. So how much profit somebody gets if they buys and sells. So if somebody bought for 180 pounds or euros and they sold for 216 pounds, and how much profit do they make? That's the question. So basically what I'll do is that we will simply minus the sale, minus the cost from the sale, right? So the answer would be 216 minus 180. Okay, that's the difference would be our profit. So the difference is 36, right? So if I want to know that that's the 36, for example, pounds, I want to convert it into percentage, that how many percentage profit, what was the percentage profit. So what I can do is I can divide the profit, right, by the cost price, which was 180, right, and then multiply by 100 over 1, because I want to change it into percentage, so I have to multiply by 100 over 1, okay, and that gives me I can just cancel this 0 from here, okay, and do it on my calculator, and I would get 20%. That's my answer. So basically what I'm saying is that if somebody buys something for 180 and sells for 216, they are getting 20% profit, the profit percentage. I'll show you another example. For example, if the cost price is 20 pounds, okay, and the profit is 20%, okay, so we need to find out the selling price. Selling price is what? Okay, so I can see that the cost price, simply what I can do is cost price is 20, so 20 pounds equals to 100%, and I'm getting 20% profit, so which means that the selling price should be 120%, right, equals to the selling price, right? So the rule is that you multiply diagonal and divide a single figure, right? So I'll multiply 20 times 120, okay, and equals to, so you just grab your calculator and you just solve the equation. 20 times 120 gives us 2400, and then I will divide the single figure, which is 100, right? I can simply cross the 2 zeros here, and the answer is 24, right? So my selling price, if my selling price is 24, right, and my cost price is 20, it gives me a profit of 20%, right? That's the profit, 4 pounds, right, which is equal to 20%. So that's how you calculate. So you can just simply say that the cost price is 100%, the selling price is 120%, right? I'll do one more example so that it's easier for you guys. For example, the cost price is 120 pounds, and the profit is 15%, right? So what's the selling price? So the selling price is equal to what? Simply what I'll do is I will say that cost, which is 120, right, equals to 100%, right? And the selling price, I don't know the selling price, so the profit is 15%, so that's 115 should be the selling price, right? The selling. So simply I will multiply diagonally and divide by a single number. So 120 times 115. Okay, and then you just do the calculations, and it gives me 13800, and then just divide that by 100, right? And it gives you 138 is the answer. So 138 is the profit, and the cost was 120, right? And so 18 is the profit. 18 pounds is the profit. That's how you go, and that's how you figure it out.